there, it's Hollywood Consulting here, and we're back with another video. Stay tuned. When starting a new business, things can be really expensive. The startup costs for businesses that actually make things like soaps, lip balms, lotions, anything that you can make by hand or that you can create can be really expensive. There are ways to cut down on your expenses. One of them we will be discussing today, and that is designing your own product labels. That's right, we're going to design your own product labels, save you a little bit of money, and it will look just as beautiful as if you hired a professional to do it. Let's get into it. So from the Canva home screen, we are going to click on the left template area, and then we're just going to type in soap label because that is what we'll be doing as an example of how you can create your own label. So here you see all of the different designs that come up from Canva. They're already pre-made, different colors, different sizes, different iterations, all different types of things for you to choose from. So it'll be really easy for you to choose one that is as close to what you want your branding to be as possible. Again, so many different choices, and I'm just going to choose one to show you guys as an example of how easy it is to just create your own labeling and it will look really professional. So I like this one, this round label. I think it really looks good on soaps when they're round labels. It makes them fancy. But here it has basic information on it, and you can go ahead and update it so that it is customized to your brand. So we're just going to go ahead and customize this template. Okay, you see what this overall design looks like. Very basic, very forward, and as we've discussed before, it is very easy to just change things around in Canvas. So just to show you as an example, I'm going to mock up HWC Health as the top brand name up here. You put your own brand name there, or if you have an actual logo, you can put it there as well. I'm just typing something in here so that you can see how easy it is to update. Okay. Next, you can always update pretty much everything. This particular soap, for an example, will just say it's going to be a lavender and mint soap. So I'm going to go into my elements and type in mint and just find a piece of mint that looks comparable to the lavender as far as realism, and so that it kind of matches. I'm just scrolling through. I looked at graphics first, but nothing there, so I went to photos. And here, this one looks good, but I would definitely have to clean up the background. So I'll go ahead and do that. But I think I did see one that was already cleaned up. So let me go back and take a look at those really quick. But I think it's just good for me to show you how to remove the actual background. I just want to make sure that it is actually mint leaves there. So yeah, now that we have this here, you can actually click edit photo and remove the background. Just wanted to show you again how to do that and how easy it is to do it in Canva. Now that I have that set up, I'm going to just play around with the overall setting of it. Play with the positioning, see if it looks better on top of the lavender or if the mint looks better forward. Just seeing what looks better. Again, for your brand, you put the items there that you like, and I always encourage you to keep playing around with it until you get the look that you like. You can also change the typeset on everything. So I actually like this as is, but I am going to show you how to just update this really quickly and see the other options. Since this is a lavender and mint soap, I'm gonna just give it a fake name of like relax and maybe refresh, because mint is very refreshing. This is all made up. You will put whatever the name of your soap is here, and I think that is good to show you as an example. Want to make sure that it's centered. Always take advantage of the guidelines that Canva automatically gives you, that pink line that comes across. And then I'm going to update this with lavender and peppermint organic soap. You can put your tagline here or whatever you want it to read here. It's just so easy to update for you. Okay, now that I have updated that, you can, oh, that was an accident. You can also resize it so that it fits on one line, and that's what I am going to do so that it fits neatly in the design. But now it's customized to the branding that I am creating for it. Again, playing with the leaves and the actual photos up here to make sure that they match, that they blend well, that they're centered with the overall design and with the words. The last thing that we are going to actually update is this bottom piece here. I'm going to put in some prop ingredients, but I encourage you to put in the ingredients for your product down here, whatever it is, to complete the actual label. This space gives you the opportunity to be as detailed as you want to be. You can put in all of your ingredients and everything that you want to be eye-catching to your consumer as well. When they see this, they want to pick it up and they want to be drawn to it, and they actually want to be able to get all of the basic information about the product from that front label that you're using. So keep that in mind as you update these other areas in the actual design. Okay, so just finishing this up here. Again, these are mock ingredients. You should definitely put the ingredients that you actually use in your product here so that you can be as transparent with your customer as possible. So this is the label. I've updated everything in it. You will update it for your brand, and then you just click share and you can download that label to print on your own. You can get labels or anything from Staples or something like that, or you can send them over to another place for printing. I didn't point out that you can actually change the typesets that are for like the main area of this design. I like the one that I actually started with, but I did just want to show you that there were a couple of options here. Don't be afraid to make final touches to your design. You can always update it and edit it. It's your label. And the best part about actually designing your own label is you get to make as many edits as you want. Sometimes when you hire a person, you only get a limited amount of edits. This allows you to edit things as you want. And also, as your brand changes, you can actually update things easily here. Again, once it's all done, you can share. There are other options that Canva does have, but we're just going to choose to download those options. And when it's done, this is what it looks like. I actually took it a step further and staged it how it might look on an actual soap bar, and I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? While we have you here, be sure to check out the HWC Empowers Her digital courses. These courses are filled with so much information for budding entrepreneurs. Scan the code now to learn more information. We've come to an end of another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already done so, be sure to follow us on all social media platforms. There's so much fun things happening there. Again, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our content. And thanks for watching. Good luck, entrepreneur.